Start. Hello class 10. How are you? Hope you all are fit and fine with your family. Children, I know that you all are missing your school, class and your teachers also. Am I right? Yes, I am right. Same problems are arises, children. Some of the students are not doing their work, even they are not view the videos of their subjects. Children, I told you earlier that this is the hard work of your subject teachers to make these videos. So this is your responsibility to view the videos, try to understand that videos and complete your work. I hope that you will not disappoint your teachers and you will complete your work at time. Thank you. Functions of string class. We are continuing our functions. Substring. This function is used to extract a part of string, that character, from one index to another. The output will come in the form of integer. Output data is string. We are taking that cupboard. This is our string. Then substring 3. Now we will find starting from 3. Output will come in the form of string. This is 3. 3 we will count 0, 1, 2, 3. From 3 B started till 3 it will start, and before 3 it will escape the character. So that BOARD. Output is BOARD. Now next function is substring. Int behind, int end. Data type is string. Suppose we are taking same example cupboard. String started from 0 till 3. Now it will start from 0. 0, 1, 2, 3. It will start from 0, but it will take the character started from 0 to 2, not 3. We will not take the character of 3. We will take the character till position 2. So that output will be CUP, cup. Next function is compare to. It is also a type of functions which comprises two strings. It not only checks the equality of the strings but also checks whether a string is bigger or smaller than the others. The function compare to performs comparison based on lexicographic comparison of the strings. It results in the difference of the ASCII codes of the corresponding characters. Suppose this is our example, mouse compared to book. Mouse, M is in red letters and B is also red. So we will compare M and B ASCII codes. First we will take the ASCII value of M. ASCII value of M is 109 and ASCII value of B is 98. The difference between compare 109 minus 98, it will come 11. So that output data type will come in integer form. So the output is 11 in this comparison. Now next examples also. Compare to str1 compare to str2. Suppose we have two string. str1 is money bag and str2 is money purse. We will compare these two strings. Money is same in both the strings, so that leave it money. Then bag bag, their purse, purse purse. We will compare the B and P. B ASCII code is 98 and P's ASCII code is 112. So that 98 minus 112, 112 is equal to minus 14. Answer will be minus 14. Same example 2. This is pencil compared to pen. In this we will compare the length. First we will take pencil length of first string, then pen length of second string. The length of first string is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 character here. This is the length of first string 6. There only 1, 2, 3 characters. So that this is 3. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. answer will be 3. In third example, this is record. This is C, we have not written by mistake, C has not here, but this is record, R-E-C-O-R-D, record, compared to record. Both strings are same, equals record and record. So that answer will write both are equal, so output will be 0. If both the strings are equal, then answer will be 0. This video I have explained some string handling functions. There I am explaining that function with a program. First, open editor, then this is a program. Program import Java class string handling, public static void main string args, you know about this. Now here we will take one string str. Now int I for index, li for last index. In this program we are doing the function index of or last index of. So that scanner in new scanner system.out in now str in dot next line. I is equal to str dot index of. Str dot red line. First we have not written here. First we will enter the string. System out print ln enter a string, then terminator, enter a string, then data type str is equal to in dot next line. Now this is the finding of the position index of O. We will find the position first O, index of O, then system out println index of letter O. This is the position of first O, so that plus I, we will write plus I is here, then li last index of str last index of O. This is the first position of O and this is the second position of O. System out println last index of O plus li. Now we will find the character on the position of these 6, char ch is equal to str char at 6. Which character is on the index of 6? So the system out character at index 6 plus ch. Now we will save the program, then compile. No error is found. Now first we will save the program, then compile. Class compile, no syntax error is here. Then we will close this. Now then go to that void string. Okay. We will write our string. String is, suppose we are writing BOOK. This is our string. Enter. Book. This is our string. Index of letter 0 O. First is 0 1. Position of O is 1. Last index of letter O. Second, this is on 0 1 2. Second O is on 2. This is a last index. This is the last character of that index O. Now save in next program. This is our next program. Same here, we will take enter a string str. In this we are finding a string. Suppose we are writing start boolean s is equal to str dot starts with a. Then system out println whether it starts with a or not. Then boolean e is equal to ends with r. System out println whether ends with e. We will find the position of that character. It is started a or it will start on r or not. Suppose then class save, compile, no error is here, close this, string handling, void, okay, clear. Now first we will enter a string is here, type string is here. First we will write, suppose I am typing the string number, then number whether starts with there we have written a, no, it will start by n, so that this is false because this is the boolean value false. Then in whether ends with r or not, it's ends with r, yes, this is true. Next functions, open editor, same, we will making a program, enter a string. Then now in this program we will check strings are equal or not. First we will check we are taking two string, enter a string str, enter second string another string str1, boolean check str equals str1, boolean check ignore case. First we will check, we will not ignoring the case. In second we are when we are checking we are ignoring the case. Str equals ignore case str1, str is equal str1 or not. Then we will print first whether both strings are equal, whether both strings are not equal, ignoring case. Then first we will save this, then compile, no syntax, no error is here, close this. Then we will open void, okay, enter a string. First we will enter a string, first string we are taking pencil, second string we are also taking pencil. Pencil. First pencil and pencil both are same, but I am writing 3 character capital, but in this all characters capital, but we are ignoring whether both strings are equal, false. Why false? Because both character are same but case are not same, so this is answer is false. But in second we are writing strings are equal after ignoring the case, so that this is true because characters are same, pencil and pencil, only cases are different. This is in lower case and this is in some character in uppercase and some are in lower case, so that in second we are ignoring the case, so that it will be true. In first we are not ignoring the case, we are finding only pencil same is here or not. Then close this. Now next function we will do this. First we will enter a string, there is str, str1, str2. Then system out println, we are entering a string, in there we are finding the substring position, str1 str dot substring 5. Which character is on 5? String starting from index number 5 is. First we will find the position of 5. Then str substring 6 to 9. Here we will find the position 6 to 9. Which characters are there? Substring from index number 6 till 9. str2. These two strings are we have taken two functions. Substring only that position till that position, and in that 6 started from 6 till 9 character are here. Then class, save, compile, no syntax error, close this. Then we will start void, okay. First we will clear this, after that we will write the string. Suppose I have written dictionary, dictionary. In there starting from index number 5 is, we will start from 5 till end. We will print that. Output will be that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 started from n, so that NARY will be the output of this. Then in second starting from index number 6 until n, so that 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 started from A till 9. 7, 8, 9 is not here, so that print only ARY is here, ARY, and blank space is also here. Now our next functions we will do in my upcoming video. Thank you.